Hello viewers, hopefully you're safe and well along with your family today. In this video, I will show how to create a future passive income from Binance through staking. Okay, this is actually the official homepage of Binance. Okay, here you can of course you can click in earn here, and here you will see different types of way of earning in Binance, that is Binance Earn, savings, BNB vault, liquidity farming, Binance pool, launchpad, staking. Okay, here is the staking where you can earn a passive income from this Binance. Okay, let's click here, staking. Okay, here different types of coin you will get in the staking, that different types of coin available, that is OM, FIO, QTM, AVAX, different types of coin available in this staking. Okay, and here is actually what types of estimated API for future for next 30 days, 60 days or 90 days. FIO, that is FIO and OM, that is the actually the competitor of each other, and they are ensuring that 106.5557% income for next 30, 60 or 90 days, not 30, 60, actually 90 days, as it is selected. Because as it is selected, so this is the only package are available in this left, and 30 and 60 are not actually already sold out. That's why you can't invest here. Okay, FIO, that is 107.69%. Suppose in different types of coin you will get. Suppose we are going to stake in for that is a bask, that is the excess. Here is the excess. That suppose we are going to stake in AXX, that ensuring actually 120.69%. That's a huge in amount. Okay, if you would like to invest in different types of coin in this is staking, that there are some risk, but of course this is a here is an historical business principles, that if you would like to have some risk, then only you can make profit, more and more profit. Okay, here here actually you're seeing that duration days at 30 and 60 are already sold out, and the available access is available for 90 days package only. Okay, here the need to mention that there are some risk. Actually, the risk is that after 90 days, if it is decreased, suppose firstly we need to know actually the market price of access, that is excess. We'll see, of course here is the excess, and you are seeing that is space spot market rate is 39.33. actually this is decreasing minus 6 point. You are seeing that the market rate is decreasing, but this is not ensuring that the market price will be decreasing continuously. Okay, it may increase. If it hits $100 after 90 days, of course you will get, of course, that $100 and 1.20% will be added with your suppose you are investing $100. Okay, if you if the market price is increasing and hits to $100, of course you will get the $100 more than, of course it will added the 120% also. Okay, here is the here is the way we can staking in different coins. Okay, and this is very helpful if you would like to if you it will be very profitable for you, and if you are a new investor, you can invest your money in different coins available. And of course prediction is must. Of course, without predicting any coin, you need not to invest your valuable money. Okay, thank you so much. Stay connected and stay safe.